Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Yeah, KG Auto, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm working on the 2017 Toyota Rave4. I've done some couple of stuff already, but I'll bring you guys along what we're doing next. This video is not, I'm really working on changing the front struts. You know, I bought it from Toyota, so it don't come with the springs, so I have to take off the spring and do all of that. But that's not the reason why I'm shooting this video. So I find out that the lower control arm is bad. So that's what I want to show you. When you get to where I am right now, what I've done so far, you're gonna get to a place that you get stuck. Then you're gonna think, what do I do next? That is the purpose of this video. In any way, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing, like the video, so it helps me from bringing this video. In any way, you know my slogan, KG, let's go, we're getting it right. So like I said before, I'm changing these trucks. I'm changing it completely. But this lower control arm, when you come down here, you see this lower control arm here, you see that bushing in there? You can see that, boy, it's really bad. So I told the owner that the lower control arm is bad. We're gonna replace that. So this video is about after you taking that bolt off, this bolt here, let me show you this bolt here, right, which is right here. Sorry about the shaking video. Then you lose the ball joint. So what do you do next? You can see that bolt there gets stuck at the SE end there. See that? That is what the video is about. So I'm gonna go in there and do what I need to do. Then I'll show you how that bolt is going to come out. That is what I'm focusing on. KG, we'll be right back. So what I'm doing is, if you can see here, I lose the engine mount right here. This bolt right here. See there? That bolt there. And this one right here is two, just the same way on this side. So I lose that. So now I'm gonna come here. Make sure before you lose it, you put something under the engine. I'm gonna jack up the engine right there. Sorry about the video. So now I jack up the engine. Sorry about that. So now you can see the engine go up a little bit. So you're gonna go ahead now and just there you go. See, just that little space there. You can be able to take that guy out, so you don't need to lose the drop the frame. So that's the purpose of this video. As you can see, the lower control arm is gonna come out now. So this is the purpose of this video. That's all. How to put the struts or whatever that is. This is just the purpose of the video. That's something was like that. See it? I got it. I'll put the new one in there. So that's the new one right there. Bought it from AutoZone. That's the part number. C as in Charlie. A for Apple. 14634. Right? Right in the box. We're gonna emboss that and start to recouple this thing. We'll go back in there now. I'll pull this guy. That's the purpose for this video. Our goal is to set this middle bolt, to put that guy in there. That's our goal. Once we do that, that's our goal right there, this guy. Once we do that, we'll be fine. Put that bolt there. I have to play with it a little bit. Let the wiggle again. Okay. You can get into some of that. There we go. Bring the camera. Sorry about that shaking. See there, the boat is back in right there. As you can see, I still have my engine jacked up. Whenever you bring it down till you do this guy. So we're gonna go out there and put this boat. Now you have to take your time, make sure you guide it and it's free. And tread it with your hand because you can't see it in there. You see what I'm saying? All right, so you guys saw the purpose of this video. Anyway, let me go ahead and move this camera. Yeah, just make sure this guy tread really good, because you know you can't see the tread inside. You know, it's a tread in boat. Make sure that one goes in really good, so that you don't miss wrong tread it, and now we have a tread. Okay, like I said before, this is the purpose for this video, how you can get that boat out. Everything is in there for this guy ready. So the next time you want to change your oil control, excuse me, there you go. So you have to put this guy first before this one, so everything is there. I'm doing the ball joint as well, but that is not the reason for this video. The reason for this video is how you can get that boat out. So you don't have to drop the subframe. You can see what I did. This is a 2017. If you do the same thing, your life will be easy. So I'm gonna go up there now and then tie up the engine mount and bring. So that's pretty much it. I hope you learned something today. Like I said before, the purpose is just to show you how to get at that boat. You saw it, I did it, you can do it. Please subscribe, questions, like the video so it helps the video. KG, I'll see you next time on my next episode. We are gone.